Hi everybody, I'm Ann Huey with Chemistry Connection, doing business as Save on Citric and Make Your Own .buzz, and today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial to show you how to make a fabulous bath soak. It's going to be called Rose Quartz Bath Soak. Today we're going to be using our magnesium sulfate, which is Epsom salt, our coarse pink Himalayan salt, which is new to our website, and also our coarse Dead Sea salt. All of these salts are high in potassium, magnesium, calcium, zinc sulfate, and many other minerals that are really good for your skin. We're also going to be using our rose fragrance oil, our 24 karat gold mica, and a little bit of polysorbate 80 to help disperse the mica through the tub when you put the salts in. Okay, this is a really easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, we're going to add 283 grams of magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt to our bowl. Just pour that in just like that. Okay. Our next ingredient is going to be our pink coarse salt, and it's going to be 311 grams. So just put that on top. And you can see the color of the salt is derived from the iron and many of the other mineral content that is in the salt. So it gives us this beautiful variated pink color. Okay, we're also going to be using our Dead Sea salt, so we'll have 283 grams that we'll add to this mixture. Just pour that right on top. And then take your spoon and give it a couple of twirls in the bowl to help mix it all together. Okay. And now you're going to want to add your polysorbate 80. So just drizzle that right on top. And today we're going to be adding approximately 5 grams of polysorbate 80. It doesn't take much. Just drizzle that right across the top. Okay. Our next ingredient we're going to add is the rose fragrance oil. Now for the rose quartz, we like to use the rose fragrance oil. You can also use our Lunar Tide fragrance or any of our fabulous fragrances that can be found on our website. But today we're going to be using the rose. Our rose is a very strong fragrance. So if you're not a rose lover, I'd suggest picking something else, but this is a good rose fragrance. And we have approximately 4 grams of rose fragrance oil, and we just drizzle that on the top. Okay. And our last ingredient we're going to add is the 24 karat gold mica. We are going to be adding approximately 2 grams of the mica. You can add more if you like, but it doesn't take much, and we want the color of the pink salt to come through. So we're just going to sprinkle that across the top of our salts. And then you're just going to give it a few tosses to disperse it all. And as you're blending this and tossing it around, the mica is adhering to the polysorbate 80 that is on the salt. And then it's going to give you a beautiful gold sparkle. And in a moment, I'll show you why we call this rose quartz. And the fragrance is just to die for. It's so good, so floral. And it doesn't take much of this fragrance oil. Okay. And as you can see, the gold has adhered to the salt crystals, but you can still see the beautiful pink salt of the Himalayan salt, the different variation of it. You're welcome to add more mica if you like, or you're welcome to leave the mica out. But the name of this video is the Rose Quartz Mica Bath Treat. Okay. Now we're just going to fill our jars, and this particular amount will give you 2 16-ounce jars. Very easy to fill. And these make great teacher's gifts. They make great Christmas gifts, wedding gifts. Anything where you might need a gift to give to someone. Everyone loves to get a bath soak, and they're so expensive at the store, and you can make your own so very easily. There's 1 jar. And you can top it off by finish it with beautiful ribbon or bow, or just some nice raffia ribbon. Label it, put a nice little scoop along with it. Just keep filling your jar, pack it down. And this recipe is also very, very easy to double or triple, depending on how many jars you want to make. You can even get a smaller jar But these 16-ounce jars show off the beauty of the salts very nicely. And there it is, our rose quartz bath soak. If you have any questions, please contact us at contact@thechemistryconnection.com or feel free to leave us a comment below. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.